So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your Chrome browser right here. Press Enter key on your keyboard to load your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on these three dots from the corner right here. So go ahead and click on these three dots, and this is going to pop down. Next thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Make sure you navigate to settings right here. Go ahead and click on settings. Then you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on search engine right here. Click on search engine, and you are here. Go ahead and click on change right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you select Google. So once you select Google, go ahead and click on set as default right here. So once you set this as default, it simply means that you have made Chrome browser your default browser. So if I come to the top right here now, I try as much as possible to create a new tab. Then you see my tab is going to give me Google Chrome right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.